Hello everyone, welcome with Knowledge Extension. Today we're going to learn the different outcomes of language Python. Now let's see what is language exactly. What is language Python? So Python is a great programming language for solving almost any software problem and is quickly becoming one of the most popular programming language in the market. So let's discuss the outcomes one by one. So the first outcome is you can work on machine learning, data science, AI projects after learning Python. So AI means artificial intelligence, which is in great demand. The second point, you can become an ethical hacker, cybersecurity professional. So this is also one of the very good profession altogether. Now, the third point is you can create smart artificial intelligence chatbots to give quick response to the user. The fourth outcome is you can become web developer and create different kind of websites like Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, etc. And I personally feel that everyone should know at least how to make the basic website or have an idea about the basic website. That's very important. And the best part about knowledge extension is we provide the classes one-to-one. We don't provide the classes in a group. So you're most welcome to join us. If you have any question, feel free to text us, feel free to call us. We'll be very happy to help you out. Thank you.